How to fix can't save as JPEG or JPG in Photoshop issue. Photoshop is a powerful photo editing software that can save images in various formats, including JPEG or JPG. JPEG or JPG is a common file format that compresses images to reduce their file size and make them easier to share or upload superscript to. However, sometimes Photoshop may not let you save your image as a JPEG or JPG for various reasons. Some of the possible reasons and solutions are, the image is not in the correct color mode. JPEG or JPG only supports RGB color mode, which means that the image has 3 color channels, red, green, and blue. If your image is in a different color mode, such as CMYK or grayscale, Photoshop will not let you save it as a JPEG or JPG. To fix this, you need to change the color mode of your image to RGB by going to Image Mode RGB Color. The image has too many layers or channels. JPEG or JPG does not support layers or channels, which means that the image has to be flattened before saving as a JPEG or JPG. If your image has multiple layers or channels, Photoshop will not let you save it as a JPEG or JPG. To fix this, you need to merge all the layers or channels into one by going to Layer Flatten Image or Layer Merge Visible. The image is too large or too small. JPEG or JPG has a maximum file size limit of 4 GB and a minimum file size limit of 1 pixel by 1 pixel. If your image is larger than 4 GB or smaller than 1 pixel by 1 pixel, Photoshop will not let you save it as a JPEG or JPG. To fix this, you need to resize your image to fit within the limits by going to image size and adjusting the width and height values. The file format option is hidden. In some versions of Photoshop, the file format option for saving as a JPEG or JPG may be hidden under the Save a Copy option instead of the Save As option. This is because Photoshop has changed the way it saves files to preserve the original file format and quality. To fix this, you need to go to File Save a Copy instead of File Save As and choose JPEG or JPG from the Format drop-down menu.